Why are many AT and CVT gearboxes prone to collapse at around 40 per hour? In fact, it is very likely that the gearbox is not faulty, but the hydraulic converter. Many repair shops also call it a dual-core device, and its function is to be responsible for the power, transmission, and interruption between the engine and the gearbox. For example, when you want to shift gears, you must first let the torque converter disconnect the power between the engine and the gearbox. After the gearbox completes the shift, let the torque converter connect the power. The function is the same as the clutch on the manual transmission model. When he has the greatest advantage, the power connection is to rely on the flexible transmission of oil, so that the power of the engine will not cause too much impact on the gearbox mechanism, which can effectively reduce the failure rate of the gearbox and improve the life. But it doesn't always transfer power from oil. In order to improve transmission efficiency and make the car more fuel efficient, it also has a clutch inside. When the speed is around 40 per hour, it will clutch. It means that the power between the engine and the gearbox is hard connected, and the transmission efficiency will be higher. If the time and timing of the clutch combination are not selected properly, there will be an instant setback when it is combined. If the gearbox is adjusted better, we will not feel it. If the adjustment is not properly controlled, it will be felt by the people in the car. Many times this is a problem of the accuracy of the adjustment, not a fault. However, there were many times when he failed, that is, the friction plate on the clutch slipped. And the simple understanding is that it cannot be locked and fixed. Just like the poor contact of the circuit, it cannot transfer 100% of the engine power to the gearbox, which will also cause a setback. This situation occurs most often in hydraulic torque converters. If we have the money, we will replace the entire torque converter assembly with 2,000 or 3,000 cheaper ones and 10,000 or 20,000 more expensive ones. If you want to save a little, you can also repair some repair shops with cutting equipment. Cut the torque converter and replace a few new friction plates separately, which can also solve the problem. Try to replace the friction plates. The material of the friction plates determines the life of the torque converter. I believe that the boss here has a certain understanding of the torque converter. If you don't pay attention, you can pay attention. Every day is the content of this kind of car dry goods.